Neither of us are really morning people, so it can get a little chaotic around here. You know, I have never really been required to be a functioning adult. The large majority of my adult life has been spent in these massive corporate systems that are cruise ships. So honestly, I've never really had to develop the skills necessary to be a functioning member of society. I mean, up until recently, I was getting housekeeping twice a week just cleaning my room for free. And that's not to mention food and housing, and I didn't have any bills to pay. Oops. It's a lot to figure out in a very short period of time. So without any further ado, I present to you 5 rules for functioning adults presented by Riley Tench. Number 1, exercise.
Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adrian. I'm Adrian. Today we have a quick little ditty to get the juices flowing. Well, we've done that for me. And then exhale, release. There's some money hours. Some more myself.
I really don't want to be doing this right now. I don't know how people do this every day. This is insane. That's enough running for today. Number 2, keep things from piling up. Rule number 3, stay organized. Number 4, reduce screen time.
Focus to spend like 3 years on a single movie, but I can make a movie today, and then I can make a movie tomorrow. I can get 800 days to go and call this movie.
I'm just breathing in naturally
That's
free
part of
air and nasty chemicals.
Then what happens?
That's the superpower. So rather than trying
I'm not going to sit here and
technology or cameras or toys that help you be more efficient as like an independent filmmaker. Procrastination poison.
I'm able to carry on with the day. Doesn't necessarily mean
See you guys in the next video.
it's a good induction.
Rule number 5 is get enough sleep. Have a good night.